Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will share my best trading setups for the week ahead. Again, that's not financial advice. It's just me sharing my own opinion on the financial markets. You should do your own research and bring your own analysis into it. With that said, let's do this. So guys, first things first, we are here on the DXY chart. And what we can see on the DXY chart is that the market last week here pushes to the downward side and then shooting back upwards, and this move right here is probably the NFP release right in here. All right, so what we can now expect from this chart for the week ahead. So when we look here a little bit left, guys, we can see we have here a strong area of resistance where the market shoots right here in and struggles to break through. The next zone of area, the next area of interest will be right in here. So when the market now actually decides to break here this zone, right, and then comes back to retest this zone, we get a confirmation in this zone. We can see further up move on the DXY, right? So then the next target will be right in here. Okay, so when I go here a little bit lower on the 4-hour time frame, we can actually see that we get here a little bit strength into this market. I will be probably looking out for sells on the Euro USD when the DXY breaks this zone and we get a clean correction back confirmation in this zone. Then I'm stacking my sell positions in the Euro USD, right? We don't trade DXY, guys, we trade Forex pairs. So this to the DXY. When the DXY breaks this area of interest right here, I'm looking for Euro USD shorts. So let's jump to the Euro USD and let's analyze this chart right here. So on the Euro USD, guys, we can see we're breaking this big massive channel to the upward side, right? So this was a very long channel that we are breaking right in here now. So when we look now a little bit left right here, we can see we have here a clean support and resistance area. Here a touch, here a touch, here a touch, and now we are on this zone, same as the DXY, guys. So what we are doing, we are just waiting. So the next zone, my take profit area, will be right in here. So now we are just waiting that the Euro USD breaking this zone impulsively. We get a correction back into the zone, and in this zone I'm stacking my sell positions to my take profit area. All right, so let's jump here a time frame lower and let's see what we get in the lower time frames right here. So right in here on the 1 hour time frame, you can clearly see that the market struggles around on this area, right? So we have here back and forth movement, we have here this movement up, down, up, down. So now I want this breakthrough again, guys. We want the correction, and then in this zone I'm going deep in with a sell position, right? My stop goes above this zone, so it will probably look like this. Sells in this zone, stop goes above this zone right in here, and then I'm holding my trade to the next support and resistance area. Would be approximately a 1.4 risk to reward, right? So this to Euro USD, I will look out. So let's delete this because that's a mess right in here. So for Euro USD, I'm waiting for this breakthrough of this zone. I wait for a retest, and then I'm looking for sell positions. All right, so this to Euro USD. So now let's jump into USD JPY. And USD JPY is a little bit the same thing. We can see we're breaking out of this massive channel right here. And now we get already this retest. We can see the market shifts from bearish to bullish as well on the EMAs right here. We can see here is bearish. Now we switch to bullish. And when we look a little bit left, we have here another clean support and resistance area right here. And my take profit area will be around this zone right here. So we already get this zone right in here, guys. And when I go a little bit deeper into this chart right here, we can as well see, I think, when I put here my Fibonacci retracement tool in, we also can see that we are hitting the 618 area, right? So let's jump into the 1 hour time frame to get a deeper look right in here. And what we can see as well, guys, it's a very clean chart right here. We can see that the market give us here this impulse and give us this flag, and now we want the impulse. All right, so this is a clean flag formation right here. So when we draw this flag now here out, we can see that this is our clean flag. So now my game plan is for USD JPY, when we get here a little bit more retracement, right? So again to the 618 area right in here, then I would be very happy to load up some buys on USD JPY. So I will go here into my buy position, my stop goes underneath this channel, and my take profit will be right in here, this last high, and my second take profit will be the next support and resistance area right here. All right, so and only when we get here a little bit more retracement I will go in, because this is already gone for me, guys. When I saw here this aggressive buying candle right in here, so this was too late for me to enter the trade, right? My perfect time to enter the trade will be this pin bar right in here. So that will be my buying position. My stop goes underneath this channel, my first take profit this zone, second profit this zone. All right, so but when we get here this retracement down right here again into the 618 area, I will be adding buys into USD JPY. So this to USD JPY, guys. Next one, Euro GBP. We have here a clean chart again. What we have here is this higher high, higher low, higher high. Now we're creating another higher low. What we could expect next is again a higher high breaking the last higher high right here. Okay, so let's delete this and let's analyze this chart right here. Again, guys, always look left. Where is our structure points? We can see we have here a clean support and resistance area. We have here a touch point. We have here a touch point, here a touch point. The market wants to go now back into this zone, and in this zone we're looking for buying positions. Again, look for your trend lines, guys, as well. So what we have here, we have here 3 clean touch points. 1, 2, 3. Now the market wants to test it the 4th time right here. So let's jump into the 1 hour time frame to look out for our confirmation. And now, guys, I want that the market comes here down and then either makes a double bottom right here, makes an inverse head and shoulders right here, or we get a candle confirmation in this zone and in this trend line zone. And then I'm taking my long positions, guys. And you can see as well that we get here a massive risk to reward, because when I get here a confirmation buy, my stop goes underneath this zone, goes underneath this trend line right here, and my take profit would be the last high that the market created, right? Noticed on the daily, this was our last high. So this would be approximately 1.8 risk to reward, okay? So this would be a very, very great trade and a very great risk to reward right here, okay? Let's jump to the last chart, and this is the NASDAQ. Now on the NASDAQ as well, we have clean price action. We have higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Now creating another higher low. What we want? The next higher high. So let's delete this and let's watch out for our zones. Where is our zone, guys? It's right in here. So my take profit area will be the last high as well. And the next thing, guys, look for confluence. Use your trend lines as well as your support and resistance, as well as your Fibonacci retracement tools. All right, combine all these factors and you get your best trade scenario, right? So let's drag this trend line here out, and you can see the market wants to go to this trend line as well. So the game plan for NASDAQ is, let's jump into the 1 hour. So the game plan for NASDAQ is, guys, you can obviously trade this trend line, right? So when the market decides to come here and tumbles here a little bit around, you can trade this trend line to the upward side. But when you enter here on this trend line, right, your stop, where need to be your stop in place? Your stop needs to be underneath this zone. Why? And your take profit is obviously the last high. Why is that? The stop loss goes underneath this zone. Yeah, because guys, when the market decides to break this trend line and wants to go deeper into the retracement, deeper into the zone, you have here your stop in place, guys. All right, so the market can now decide to tumble here around and then shoot back up. So when you have here your stop loss on a safe place, you are more confident on holding this trade longer. All right, so the game plan on NASDAQ is either buying on this trend line when we get here a little sideways price action, or a buying opportunity when we get here a little bit of sideways price action in this zone. Then I will be very happy to buy this chart to the upward side again. Right, when the market decides to break here through, then I'm not interested anymore in this chart. I go away from this chart, look for another setups and put it on my best setups for the week. All right, guys. So these setups are on watch for the next week ahead. When you want that I analyze some pairs for you guys, then leave a comment down below and I will bring these pairs into the list for next week. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to never miss a video. And remember guys, consistency and discipline are key to success in Forex trading. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I will see you in the next video. Take care and happy trading.